In this video, let me show you how to use Deepseek for translations. Most basic translations app work by simply swapping words from one language to another. This often leads to awkward and literal translations that may sound unnatural. In order to solve this, you can add in a prompt which moves from a basic command to a detailed instructions. Instead of just saying translate this, you can add in a command that has the context. Translation prompts should specify the target language, context of the text, the tone you want it to be, and the audience that you're targeting. So, for example, let's say I need to translate a friendly professional follow up email from English to Spanish. A simple translation might lose the polite, collaborative tone that I'm aiming for. So, for this, I can add in a simple prompt. Now, once you give in a prompt similar to this, you'll notice the difference that Deepseek won't just translate the words, it will choose the appropriate greetings in short phrases that are more natural and exactly mean in the native language. So this is just a use case that you can use Deepseek for translations. Other than this, you can also use it for website and app localization or even explaining a translation. So these are the few situations where you can use Deepseek for translations. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.